Welcome to the benefits of. Today, we're diving into the top 5 supplement trends that are taking the health world by storm in 2025. From cognitive boosters to metabolic supporters, these cutting-edge supplements are changing the game. Stick around to find out how they can benefit your health and why they're worth exploring. First up is lion's mane, a natural supplement known for its potential to boost brain health. Studies suggest that it may enhance memory, focus, and even mood. With its unique ability to stimulate nerve growth factor, lion's mane is gaining traction among those looking to support cognitive function. Add it to your daily routine as a powder in your coffee or a convenient capsule. Next, let's talk about Clearway protein isolates. Unlike traditional creamy protein shakes, Clearway is light, refreshing, and perfect for staying hydrated after a workout. It's loaded with high-quality protein to support muscle repair and growth while being easy on your stomach. Think of it as a new way to fuel your fitness goals without the heaviness of a typical shake. Coming in at number 3, NAD Plus supplements are all about cellular energy and anti-aging. NAD Plus is a coenzyme that plays a critical role in energy production and DNA repair. As we age, our levels decline, which is why these supplements are gaining popularity. They're touted for improving energy levels, mental clarity, and even skin health. Now let's talk about Berberine, often called nature's Ozempic. This powerful plant compound is known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and support weight management. It's a great option for those looking for a natural way to enhance their metabolic health. Take it in capsule form or consult your healthcare provider for the best dosage. Last but not least, targeted probiotics are taking gut health to the next level. These aren't your average probiotics. They're designed to address specific issues like mental well-being, metabolic health, or immune support. By tailoring the strains to your needs, you can experience more precise benefits for your overall health. Here's a quick tip. Start small and focus on one supplement at a time. Pay attention to how your body responds, and always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your regimen. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information enjoyable and helpful. Please remember that the content here is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the Benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.